Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be testing free BMG Drive Vanilla game cars. So here I think we have the Bishop I. Here's the Gavril Barstow, and the other one is Soli Ad Lansdale. I have no idea how to pronounce that. If I said that right, please say it. Started testing these three cars in this video on how they drift and how fast are they. It's gonna be a pretty short video, but it's okay. I'm gonna make a short about this also. So let's get right into it. So our first car is going to be our So it could go 195 so we have our other controls of a little bit for more professional vehicles. You see, I'm a noob. I just made this. I am a absolute noob. So this car is, yeah, it's nice. That boss. Now we went that side. Huh? So go. This part would probably go 150. Why it's fine and everything. Our Gabriel is. I pretty much know that our next drift car is gonna win. Not really a drift car. Just as sleep. It's by itself. This just gives it. That looks like actually, it might actually go when you kind of, yeah, the wheels are pushed down and what I think this like we're going already pretty fast. The view of the camera. I'm looking at the speed chart, and our thing is just broken. Are we going to aim? We're going to disappear at this point. What come on. Man, this is actually good. 180 miles per hour for like a hamster now. Which, I mean, yeah. So guys, if you enjoyed this video and you want more videos of testing cars, like 1v1ing or cars with downhill, moto gaming vid, I don't know. He's my inspiration for doing this. So, if you want to see more Beamng Drive videos, comment in the bottom, and you can go to my, I think so, I don't know, it's like a profile page. There, I put a game selection for Beamng Drive, Roblox, or Portal 1 or Portal 2. So, see you in the next video.